Social life. As a human being, man cannot live without association. So man's life is to an enormous extent a group life, because individuals cannot be understood. Apart from their relations with one another, the relations cannot be understood. Apart from the units or terms of the relationship, the role of social life is clarified. When we consider the process by which they develop in the life of the individual, Kant thought that it was just antagonism, which served to awaken man's power, to overcome his inertia and in the search for power to win for himself a place among his fellow men with whom he cannot live at all. Without this resistance, the spiteful competition of vanity, the insatiable desire of gain and power, the natural capacities of humanity would have slumbered undeveloped. Social life is the combination of various components, such as activities, people, and places. While all of these components are required to define a social life, the nature of each component is different for every person and can change for each person as affected by a variety of external influences. In fact, the complex social life of our day, his actions indeed, even his thoughts and feelings are influenced in large measure by a social life which surrounds him like an atmosphere. It is true that human achievement is marked by his ability to do so to a more remarkable degree than any other animal. Everywhere there is a social life, setting limitations and predominatingly influencing individual action, in government, in religion, in industry, in education, in family association, in everything that builds up modern life. So men are cooperating because they work together, combine and organize for specific purposes so that no man lives to himself. This unity of effort is to make society. There are different kinds of social life and these are depends on various factors. There are also more immediate things that can affect one's social life on a day-to-day basis. Availability of friends and or dates, current cash flow, personal schedule, recent positive restaurant reviews, and perhaps a post on Paris Hilton of where the celebs are hanging out can all determine with whom you interact. The nature of activities, how often you socialize and where such social activities take place. Nevertheless, social life depends on different things such as A. The political life, B. The economic life, C. Voluntary associations, D. Educational associations, E. Methods of communication, and F. The family. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.